Alright, so these ducks got themselves stuck because I took a break from cleaning the pond. Now we have to try to get them out without getting all that nasty water on us.
Oh, it's so gross.
Yeah, it's so gross! Oh my god, that is fucking disgusting.
Oh, it's so gross.
It's clogged, so let's go check out the ditch. Well, looks like we have to dig this bitch out. Oh my god! Well, that was successful, I hope. Oh, it's so bad. Okay, still clogged, so now we have to use the snake. I don't know where the drill is to make the snake work, so I'm gonna have to come back to this. And we'll fill the mini pond for now.